Hey guys, Steve, Chris and Whitey from the Watering Hole podcast. Mr. Premier, thank you again. We know what your Watering Hole song is because you've come on the podcast, so we appreciate that. Blue Sky Mine by Midnight Oil, nice choice. So I pivot to Scott. What would your Watering Hole song be? We all want to know. And how excited are you for the party hole this weekend and its impact on the tournament?
Walk-up song would be All I Do Is Win.
Nice.
And yes, very excited for the Watering Hole. It's one of the special spots and moments in sport, in all of sport. And for those fans out there, hopefully you're reading, listening, or seeing this, is that it's worth its weight in gold to go visit. There's nothing quite like it anywhere I've ever seen.
There's also time for you to be a guest on the podcast if you want to as well, Pete, if you want to let him know.
I'm in.
Yeah.
Yes. Alan, Laura, let's make it happen. Let's do it while I'm here.